We are here at the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo, and here there's one vehicle that's a little bit different than the rest. It's the second morning here at AOAE, and I get the chance to go for a ride along with a good friend of mine today. Barrett will be in good hands with Squatch Overland while I'm gone.
Wave! Yo, what's up?
This is Mike from the Unexpected Offroad, a Florida native that decided to move up to British Columbia, Canada. Like me, Mike explores the backcountry in a not-so-common vehicle. He explores in the GMC Hummer, which he just recently bought a second one, this time an electric vehicle. We've crossed paths a few times, down in Victoria at a meet and greet, and now here at the AOAE, where we're camping beside each other. Without further ado, buckle up and tag along as we talk about the Hummer EV. Hey guys, Adventure Dog Overland. I am sitting in an electric Hummer V2, right?
What's that?
Hummer EV, not E2. How cool is this? Mike's gonna take me for a ride, and we will see how these electric vehicles overland.
Yeah.
Ready, buddy?
I am ready.
I am pretty excited. I've heard this thing can really give it when it needs to.
Can. It's got some stupid acceleration.
By the way, you get a lot more window looking than I thought you would too.
Chief should come up with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's you know what I'm gonna do?
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive. Let's drive down here.
Okay.
And we'll drive back this way so you can film so the sun's not
Oh, absolutely.
too
I love the top camera view
yeah.
and the trail view. Like, how often does that come into play?
Well,
right?
I'll tell you what, this view here, parking, you can see the parking lines is mint.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even think about that.
And then you got
hood view, tire view, side view.
look, you can watch the tires turn.
Wow, is that rear tire?
That's the rear tires, yep. And then that's the front tires.
That's amazing.
And then you got hitch view.
Yeah. That's pretty cool, man. It's like a Insta360.
Watch this.
Everywhere. Did you just clean?
I just
Did you just clean your
Yep.
camera? That's
that's
amazing. That's under.
Yep.
That's under the truck.
Yep.
And you can lift this to 6 inches on airbags.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the rear.
That is amazing. That's pretty cool.
And then like, I mean, it's got, yeah, they're crazy views.
Yeah.
But honestly, driving any kind of speed, it makes you sick. It makes you like, you get that car sickness, right?
Well, and you're not ready for it because there's no engine rev.
Yeah.
Right. In fact, you I think you said on Canon 454 podcast that they installed a speaker to make an engine sound to help you be ready for it.
Matter of fact, let's put it. Oh, your door's not shut.
Oh, my door is not shut. That's all right.
So, we have different modes we could go in.
Okay.
So I'm gonna switch it into my mode.
Okay.
And my mode.
My mode.
So you could create all kind of different modes.
Yeah.
Like the steering and all that.
Okay.
The sound is louder now.
Oh, so you did that so you knew.
Yeah.
Accelerating.
So it's in a drilling mode, which has a faster acceleration.
Okay.
But also.
Oh, here we go. And that was much faster than my F-150 would pick up. I would 100% say that.
Well, we could do. Hold on.
We're gonna do more though.
I don't want to get rocks in anybody.
No, yeah, I agree with you.
Here, we'll do a. Actually.
This is pretty cool. Like, I'm a big F-150 guy, but this is pretty cool.
Okay, there's got to be a guy standing there, doesn't there?
Yeah, that one guy.
That one guy.
He knows. Hey, question.
Yeah.
A lot of EV stuff in water. I know when I went to Iceland, no EVs were allowed in water. So what's the deal with water crossings?
Well, I'll tell you what the deal is with water crossings. If water gets inside of an EV battery, it kills it.
Okay.
So it will be done.
Okay.
Now, this battery is sealed. This truck is supposed to afford up to like, I don't know what it is, 14 inches. Okay. Basically, it's up to the door seal.
Yeah. Okay, like a normal vehicle. The rules should be the door seal is a max, yeah? Yeah,
like a normal vehicle. I'm a bit scared of it just because I don't want to mess up the battery.
It's your only way home.
But it's covered under warranty, but I hate to say that. Yeah. But honestly, I don't want to do deep water crossings with this.
I think that's the right decision.
Fair.
Yeah. That's fair. All right, buddy.
Okay.
Show me what you got.
You ready?
I am ready.
All right.
Holy jeez. We are going. I can feel G-force, man. Holy jumping. That was nuts. That was nuts. It goes.
Just a little. Just a little.
I think like it stuttered there at the beginning.
Yeah, you know.
I don't know. But and then it went.
I was ready to, take flight for a minute.
Yeah.
That's why I did it down there, so I didn't throw rocks at anybody.
Yeah, no, it took off not bad. I was expecting better, but
you hear that, Hummer? We're expecting better.
Yeah. How many Ks can you get on this thing per charge?
Just over 500 kilometers.
Okay.
500 is not bad. That's better in Tacoma.
Than I was expecting.
It's better in Tacoma with armor.
Yeah,
right?
it's not a Cybertruck, so.
No.
No Cybertruck.
Yeah, here you go.
That's what you get every time in this truck. Every time you go somewhere, somebody sees it. Wow, that thing is cool. And
it gives it.
It's like a rock star.
Yeah, like that. I've been on like a lot of different airplanes. That's exactly a takeoff feeling. You feel the G-force. You're pushed back and you're going.
The front end lifts up like it's crazy.
I'd almost say back when I used to ride motorcycles, that if you had to get out of a bad situation in front of you on the highway, you would be out of there in no time. Yeah.
This is sick.
Yeah.
Okay, so one more thing.
Yes.
So we're changing modes.
Okay, we're changing modes.
Okay, so we got. Let me just show you the modes. Okay, so we got off-road. We're going like. Looks like a desert, right?
Yeah.
So then we're in terrain. Oh. So now it's on the moon. Like, see the moon rocks?
You know what that is? That's Iceland right there.
There you go.
Yeah.
So then,
that's all right. It's doing its thing.
Then off-road, terrain. So tow haul. It's towing a rocket.
Oh, that's awesome.
So everything is moon themed in this truck.
Yeah.
So I'll show you a secret.
Okay.
If you look over here, there's a moon boot. See the little vent?
Yeah.
That's an Easter egg.
It's
a moon boot.
Like a moon boot. There we go.
Okay, so
one small step for man.
Yeah, it's actually here too. It's is that John Glenn? Who was the astronaut?
I don't know.
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong. So that's his boot. So
okay.
One of the things I'm most disappointed about this truck is the concept vehicle had his boot print for the dead pedal. You know where you put your foot?
Yeah.
It was his boot print.
They took it out?
It didn't get into production. And I was like, but it was the actual print size of his foot.
You need a 3D model of that. You need to do a 3D model.
Dude, I want it. I want it so bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so back to this again.
Okay, yeah.
So we're in terrain.
We're in terrain, yeah.
Okay, so now.
It's even got the lava of Iceland.
Yeah, it's got the lava there. Okay, so now we're gonna go into crab mode.
Okay, crab mode.
So I hold this button.
Yeah, and I'm gonna show right there. Oh. Man, I am in a IMAX theater right now, as well as a Hummer EV.
Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. Okay. Cancel this off. Okay, you ready? That's so cool.
That is amazing.
Okay, so now we're in crab walk.
We're in crab walk.
We'll wash our.
You know how many times I've had to get out on trail and clean the cameras on my F-150?
You know what? I wish they had it on the other cameras.
Yeah.
So the ones that go down the side of the truck, they get dust on them. You can't see.
They do. Okay. Yeah.
So in this one too. Yeah. This one will get dust and you can't see.
The 360 on the top.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay.
That's why I say it's sort of a gimmick.
Yeah.
I know that's
okay,
mean.
Okay.
I know that's harsh.
We're being honest.
So I'm being honest.
We're being
it's
honest.
Sort of a gimmick.
Maybe they'll listen and say, more water. All right.
Yeah, more washers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna crab walk.
We're gonna crab walk.
Yeah, I wanted to get back on the road, so all the tires are gonna crawl this way. And we want to go right, we're gonna crawl that way. Look at that. That's a neat feature.
It is a neat feature.
Now, where do you think? Have you used it, or where would you use it?
I've only used it to flex and show how cool it is.
Yeah, okay, it's pretty cool. I'm looking
cool
straight right now, but we are going right, just so everybody. Yeah.
You know what? It showed on TV like you driving through like rocks or two dumpsters or something.
Right.
I don't see it doing it. I don't know. I haven't tried. But I'm too scared to because it's a little unpredictable.
Okay.
Like, see,
fair.
we're
going
sort of
towards
steer this way.
Yeah.
And then it's like.
But we're not turning. We're going straight back to the road. Yeah.
But the rear turns first, right?
Ah. Okay.
So.
You know where I could see this being used? On a beach day. You hit the sand, right? And if you find yourself going into soft sand, but the rears haven't made it there yet.
That's true.
I could see it crab walking to the left or right to get away from the sinking.
That is true.
Just me, but my brain's a bit crazy sometimes. I do have a crazy dog, right? So yeah. But this is fun. This is amazing. This is changing my mind about EVs. I'm still not gonna get one, but it's pretty cool.
We're coming up to. We're pretending this is an FSR. Oh, we can't go down here, right?
Oh, all right. It's trail's closed.
Trail's closed. We gotta turn
closed.
around. Okay, let's take it out of.
Oh, we gotta turn around. Oh, you're not gonna do the whole blue 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 thing, are you?
Nope. Crab's,
okay.
Crab's gone, right?
Okay.
So, oh man, it's so tight here. We gotta turn around. Okay, well let's turn around. Here we go.
Okay. We are not moving really the same spot we started in. Not too shabby. This would be a 3-point turn for me in the F-150, just so you know.
And that is a game changer.
Yeah, that's pretty tight. That's go-kart tight.
That is go-kart tight.
That's go-kart tight.
Okay, wait, let me yell at him.
Yeah.
Hey, I got one more trick.
One more trick.
One more trick you gotta watch. I'm gonna shake. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. There we go. That is fun, man.
It is so much fun. This thing is a blast to drive.
So it does tricks. Just so anybody knows, if you want a Hummer that does tricks, this is the one.
It definitely does.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go up.
Oh, we're rising.
We are rising up.
I wonder if I can catch that. Are we rising?
We're rising.
But I can't feel it. Why can't I feel it?
It goes slow. It goes really slow.
But we're on how many airbags?
4 airbags.
One for every tire.
Yeah, one for every tire.
Okay.
They're large. It's a strange airbag. So the shock, it's a strut. So the shock goes up through the middle.
Okay.
It's kind of on the outside.
Right.
It's hard to explain. I've taken it apart. It's a weird setup. It's got seals in there that if you looked at it, you went, oh, that thing would just blow right out. I don't know how it doesn't.
Okay. Yeah.
But it works.
I can't believe you took it apart. Like, I would not.
Oh no, Suburban's. Suburban's toggles are the same.
All right.
With so much here to do at the AOA Expo, we got cut a little short, but that's okay. We had different meetings to get to and different events to see. Regardless, Mike, I had a great time. We answered some questions, and as technology grows, I'm sure the future will hold a lot more in the EV world. In the meantime, let us know what your take is on EVs down in the comments below. But for now, it's back to camping under the stars, and until next time, we'll catch you out in the wild.